Every year, thousands of individuals venture into the world of accounting entrepreneurship. And today, we are diving into how you can make that dream a reality. Are you ready? Let us jump right in. Step 1. Education and certification. Did you know that about 75% of accountants in the US have a bachelor's degree or higher? While it is not a strict requirement, having a solid educational foundation in accounting can give you an edge. After your education, consider getting a CPA certification. With this, you will have the credibility that clients trust. Step 2. Create a business plan. No surprise here, a whopping 80% of businesses survive their first year, but that number drops to just about 50% by year 5. A clear business plan can be your roadmap to staying in the successful half. Map out your goals, define your target market, and outline your financial projections. Step 3. Legalities. Choose a business structure. Whether it is a sole proprietorship, partnership, or LLC, select what best suits your needs. And do not forget to register your business name, obtain necessary licenses, and ensure you are compliant with state and federal regulations. You can take care of all of this through our organization, legalregistration.com. Step 4. Find your niche. Did you know there are over 1 million accountants in the US? To stand out, specialize. Maybe you are passionate about helping local businesses, or perhaps tech startups catch your interest. Whichever niche you choose, mastering it will set you apart from the competition. Step 5. Set up shop. Now, whether it is a physical office or a virtual one, setting up a professional space is key. In our digital age, ensure your online presence is strong. Create a user-friendly website and engage on social media. Approximately 85% of all jobs are filled through networking. Attend events and build meaningful connections. Step 6. Pricing and services. Determine the services you will offer. Will you provide bookkeeping, tax services, consultancy, or all of the above? Once decided, price them competitively. Research what others in your niche are charging and ensure you are offering value for money. Step 7. Continuous learning. The world of accounting is ever evolving. With more than 15% growth in the accounting industry over the past decade, staying updated is crucial. Attend workshops, seminars, and keep up with the latest software and technologies. There you have it, a roadmap to kickstart your accounting business journey. For help registering your new business quicker, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our formation experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think of the steps in this video? Which one seems the hardest? Please leave your comment below. Do not forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your new business to maximum profitability.